Right, my garden is absolutely jam-packed full of dandelions. Well, it was before I cut the grass, but they'll grow back through in a few days again. So what I did last night, before I cut my grass, was I harvested a gorgeous bowl full of dandelion leaves. They are exceedingly good for us, for cleansing, detoxifying, boosting the immune system. I'm not going to talk about that because you can look at all of those wonderful benefits yourself, and I'm sure if you're looking at this you probably already know. But what I'm going to show you in this session is how to take a whole bowl of dandelion leaves and turn them into the most delectable, delicious, vibrant, inspiring juice. So let's go take a little peek. I've got my bowl full of dandelion leaves. I've picked some fresh mint from the garden. It's also exceedingly good for you, and it's going to give it a nice sting. We want a nice balance of flavours here. I've chopped about 10 celery stalks here and some apple. We're going to bring in a little bit of nice healthy sweetness to it. We might use more apples than that because we're going to taste it, we're going to feel what it needs, and then we're going to let it dance. And I've also got a huge lemon. That'd be equivalent to 2 medium-sized lemons. You can use more of that as well if you have it. So we're going to, first of all, when you're juicing leaves, you want to put leaves through your juicer intermittently with hard stuff. So celery and dandelion leaves. Okay, so it's really, really easy. You're going to know how your juicer works, and you're just going to push the juice through, and you're going to see it come through. Oh, look at that. So what I want to do with my dandelions is just grab a few and intersperse them. It just helps everything move through the juicer really well. And I really like this combination. I find it quite nice to put some sweetness in it. An apple is a really, really good fruit to use for that. And then you want to pop in your other bits and pieces as well. Bit of mint, yum yum, bit of dandelion, a bit of celery. There we go. Oh, it's feeling good. Look at that. Right, and if it starts clagging up inside, lemon just goes to the juicer and sort of cleans it out a bit. So, oh gosh, that's so vibrant. It is incredible. Like, as you can tell, I get really, really excited about juice. Yum, yum, yum. And the thing about dandelion, it's really, really bitter. Really good for you, but you know, it's kind of like soul food, like medicine at nature's pharmacy. And we should all be having it, really. Like, if you've got it growing in your garden, you should definitely be having it in your cuisine, whether you pop it in some soup, whether you mix it in with some beans. Ideally, have it raw in salad. And in salad, the little baby leaves work really nicely because they're not quite as bitter. And if you're kind of hardcore and just want like super bitter, just go for it. Your body will really thank you for it. In goes the lemon. Oh gosh, that's getting really full, isn't it? Just might overflow in a second. So I have to keep my eye on it. There we go. I always like to leave a bit of lemon for the end because it does have that cleansing sort of action. Oh, we've got a bit of stray mint there in your pot. In you go, lemon, lemon. And I'm just gonna, you can put the pulp through again a second time. I don't, I return it to Mother Earth and put it in the compost pile, and that will go to feed my delicious vegetables. Like, I don't have many vegetables at the moment in this house I'm living at, but turn it to the earth. There we go. So what you want to do is get a little spoon and have a little taste of the juice. And what you're looking for is a nice balance of flavours. You want it to be really palatable. That is perfectly balanced with the celery, with the apples, the lemon. It's got just a hint of mint because the dandelion is so bitter. It's kind of just toned that right down. What I'm going to do is get my water jug and put it in. Oh, right, I'm spilling it. Okay, try not to spill it. Woo! Right, there we go. Gorgeous. And then you want to get some glasses or jars. I like to use jars to put my juices in. And then just pour them up. Right, and there we go. Oh, which one am I going to have? Okay, so I want to have a glass of this now, and I also want to have a glass of it later, and I want to save a glass of it for my friend who is coming to visit today. She's Steph from No Dig Garden. I highly recommend her website, by the way. She's going to be really chuffed because it's full of nature's finest superfoods. So, oh God, yes, that is delicious. You enjoy? Let me know how you get on. Please do subscribe to my channel. Give it a click, thumbs up, like, all of that. It really helps the algorithms and it makes me really happy. Come visit my website, kindearth.net, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now. Just a super quick message right at the end here. If you like this video and you like my recipes, then please do come over to my website and check out my online vegan video courses. They are jam-packed with tips, information, recipes to take your vegan cooking and no cooking to a whole new level. My current favourite is The Magical Life of Salads. So please do click on the link and check them out if you're interested in my recipes. I would love to see you over there.